The LuTangous TEC1-12706 DIY Cooler with Pump and Power Kit is a fascinating gadget. It is like a mini refrigerator engine. This kit helps you build your own cooling system. It uses something called a Peltier module. This module gets cold on one side. It gets hot on the other. Therefore, it needs good cooling. The kit includes a large heat sink. It also has dual cooling fans. These fans move air well. The fans cool the hot side effectively. Additionally, there's a submersible pump. This pump moves water. It also has a clear tube. This setup helps with liquid cooling. This kit is very complete. Moreover, it comes with a power supply. It also has a thermometer. This thermometer has a probe, so you can see the temperature. Next, let's talk about the parts. The TEC1-12706 Peltier module is key. It's a small ceramic square. Electricity flows through it. One side becomes very cold. The other side becomes quite warm. This warmth must be removed. The heat sink acts like a sponge for heat. The fans then blow this heat away. The submersible pump is a small marvel. It pushes water through a loop. This water can absorb heat too. It's like a tiny river. The tubing is clear and flexible. You can see the water flow. The power supply is crucial. It gives the right amount of power. It's a 12-volt 10A switched power supply. This ensures stable operation. Furthermore, the thermometer is helpful. It tells you how well it's working. You can monitor the cooling. This LuTangous TEC1-12706 DIY Cooler with Pump and Power is surprisingly versatile. Finally, this kit is great for projects. It's not for cooling a whole room, but it can cool small spaces. Think of a mini fridge, or maybe a drink cooler. It's also good for experiments. You can learn about thermodynamics. The instructions are straightforward. Building it is rewarding. It's a hands-on experience. The LuTangous TEC1-12706 DIY Cooler with Pump and Power offers many possibilities. Therefore, it's a valuable learning tool. Overall, it's a clever and useful kit. It provides everything needed. It's a complete package. Indeed, it's a cool scientific toy. Pros: 60-watt power output, 12-volt compatible, semiconductor refrigeration, DIY friendly, dual cooling fan, submersible pump, includes tubing, power supply driver, comes with thermometer, includes probe, complete cooler kit. Cons: not very functional, small water tank head, doesn't cool water effectively, water heats up quickly, needs a bigger water tank. Features: Peltier cooling technology, 60-watt cooling power, 12-volt operating voltage, dual cooling fans, submersible water pump, includes water tubing, 12-volt 10A power supply, comes with thermometer, probe for temperature, DIY assembly kit. This DIY kit lets you build your own cooler using a special technology called Peltier cooling, which is like a tiny refrigerator chip. It comes with everything you need, including a 60-watt cooling unit that runs on 12 volts, 2 fans to help keep things cool, and a small water pump with a tube for water cooling. You also get a 12-volt, 10-amp power supply to run it all, and even a thermometer with a probe to check the temperature. It's a complete package for a fun and easy cooling project. The LuTangous TEC1-12706 DIY Peltier Cooler Kit is a 60W 12-volt semiconductor refrigeration system designed for those who enjoy do-it-yourself projects. It comes with everything you need, including a dual cooling fan, a submersible pump with tubing, a 12-volt 10A power supply, and a thermometer with a probe. However, this kit isn't very effective at cooling water. The water heats up quickly, and the small water tank head makes it challenging to get good results. You'll likely need a larger water tank to see any real improvement.